SES AI Corporation is down 53% from its recent high. Is now the perfect time to buy? That's the question we're going to be answering in this video. We're going to be answering this question using technical analysis. So I've got the chart for SES open, and what we can see is from this low here, price started moving up rapidly, and when it reached this level, price started retracing down. So if I draw the Fibonacci retracement tool from those levels, we can see some interesting insights here. So usually when price starts retracing, it finds support at one of these Fibonacci levels. And as we can see, SES has been finding support at this level here. And usually the price comes down to touch strong support like this multiple times. So if the price comes back down to this level, which is 82 cents, that could be a good entry. So that's one way to get into the SES stock. The other way is to use a pre-breakout entry, and this is my preference when it comes to more volatile stocks like SES. So what does the pre-breakout entry look like? To figure out where this pre-breakout entry would be, we need to have a look at the recent resistance levels. So if I draw a rectangle around this area here, we can see that price has found resistance, strong resistance at this level multiple times in the recent past and also very recently. So for a pre-breakout entry, we would need to see something like this. The price would need to break above this resistance level. However, we don't buy as soon as it breaks. We wait for the price to retrace down to this area again. And the most important thing we want to see from this level is the price finding support at this level. And once that starts to happen, we usually tend to see the price break out. So once we see this price action pattern and we start seeing some bullish movement around here, that would be the ideal entry, because from here the probability of seeing a breakout is significantly higher than it is down here. So this is about $1.56. You might be wondering, why would we buy at a more expensive price than the current price? Why not just buy it now? And the reason for that is because the price could be consolidating around here for a very long time. We can see last time we hit this resistance level, we were down here for months, and that's clearly not a good position to be in. But generally with this, once we see this pattern, we see the price break out rapidly. That's why this is my preferred approach for volatile stocks like this. So that's the entry side of things, but getting a good entry is only half the battle. We also need to have an exit strategy in place so that we can take profits at resistance levels and don't get stuck when the price starts retracing. So what are the exit levels we should be looking at? To answer this question, we can use the Fibonacci extension tool. So if we go from the same levels as before, from these lows up to this high, and this time we pull the Fibonacci extension tool down to where this retracement has ended, we can see something like this. And the way Fibonacci extension works is these levels act as resistance levels for the price. So generally when price starts moving up, we start seeing resistance at these Fibonacci levels, and some investors like to lock in profits at these levels. So what are some levels that we could be seeing some resistance at? The first level you might consider taking some profit at is this level here, and it is $2.45. The next level is here. This is $2.92. The level after that is here, which is $4.26. And the final level is here. This is $6.43. I'll be making update videos on this as we approach these key levels, so if you want to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. Also, if you found this video valuable, then please consider hitting the like button, as that helps out the channel a lot. And it's also worth mentioning that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.